Well, hello and welcome to Phoenix Brix. And here I have a work in progress steampunk airship. And it's work in progress because it's taking way longer than I expected. I've already completely rebuilt the balloon about 3 times, and the gondola I think is on its 6th iteration, and I just can't get it to look right. So that's a work in progress, and I have another Witcher thing in the pipeline as well, but that's a way off. So I needed a little project to tide me over, and I'm a big fan of Studio Ghibli. I think it's Ghibli anyway. Is it Ghibli or is it Ghibli? I've heard it pronounced both ways. Ghibli? Ghibli?
It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Whatever. I was watching Nausicaä of the Valley of the Wind. Great movie, terrible title. And Nausicaä gets about on this kind of powered glider, and I thought it would be really interesting to try and replicate that in Lego, especially because it's got quite a few distinctive, interesting shapes in quite a small space. So despite the fact it's a small model, I had to employ quite a lot of interesting building techniques to get it all to fit in and function, because this can have the wings angled, as it sometimes is in the movie. So let's see how that gets built. So there you go. Definitely an interesting little build, all centered around a small little structure that allows you to build in both directions at the start, using some older pieces, but can't really avoid it at something this scale. I am pleased how I managed to get this distinctive sort of engine inlet and outlet shape. Definitely the sort of shallow curve and the deep curve here does fit as well as it possibly could in this scale. And the wings, as I mentioned, can be altered, so sometimes in the movie you see them kind of flared up at the wingtips, or sometimes these whole sections can get raised up and then it goes into a sort of gull wing configuration there, which is quite nice. Also, you've got Nausicaä's weapons. She's got like a rifle and then like a mace kind of thing. I don't know exactly what that is actually, but that's what it is. And yeah, definitely don't look at the Nausicaä figure too much. It was whatever I could cobble together from the parts that I had. But yeah, overall, it really does look quite nice. And I'm pleased about the amount of flexibility and functionality I built into this small little design. So I hope you enjoyed that. There is more coming, as you saw at the start, and yeah, as a project to tide me over, I'm pretty pleased with it. So I hope to see you again.